driving south right now. We're going down to southern region. We have our friend Conejo, really hot Chilean surfer from Pichilemu, one of Ramon's friends, and he's our guide for the next 4 days. And as you can see, we're in a pretty nice part of the world. These people down here will survive apocalypse. yeah, just had my last surf in Chile. Time to go home. We've been here for a month and surfed up and down the southern coast of Chile from Point Lobos down to where we are today. It's been a really fun trip. Caught one 15-foot day at Lobos, pretty big and really windy. But it's good training, you know. It's all preparation for when it counts, and also just new discoveries on this trip and explorations, and just makes all of our dreams go bigger because we know what to expect next time and getting it more dialed around the world. And Chile is one of those spots I'll always be coming back to.